ये मेरे पास क्यों रहनी चाहिए? You have done the work. I don't know anything, but I genuinely believe you have done it. Okay, sir. नहीं.
प्यारा माहौल में ऐसे प्यारा कुछ गीत के साथ
అయిపోయింది మీరు ముందు
थैंक यू फोटो मिल जाएगा फोटो मिलेगा मिलेगा ना
फोटो हो जी नमस्कार नर्मदा सर सर कुछ वेनक सर yes one more thank you
Hearty welcome, sir.
yes thank you okay okay
Namaste.
Got my photo? Got my photo? Tomorrow morning
okay okay దగ్గర కింద వచ్చేసి మేడం మేడం
तुझको ही चाहे तो क्या कीजिए ओ मेरे
మేడం గ్యాప్ ఉంది మధ్యలో
चलाए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए ओ मेरे
सर हेल्प सर पहले इधर देखिए मैडम मैडम कुछ बैक राइट
Namaste. Namaste.
सर मास्क వేయండి సార్ ఎవరో సార్ మోహన్ సార్
Giving the support to our district T20 to host this celebration.
ఒకరు పెట్టుకున్నారు ఒకరు తీసారు రెడీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి సార్
Yeah, Isami.
రైట్
Learning. We are doing
Ready, sir?
learning activities. And
Right.
today we are doing the host of this Gala dinner celebration dinner to formally welcome the gathering.
Good evening, leaders and trainees. I am humble friend LCF area leader line G. Babu Rao. Welcome to Hyderabad, welcome to our multiple district 320 and welcome to our district 320D. I must begin by thanking Constituency area leader Narendra Bandarji for giving me the opportunity to host you. Narendra Bandarji for giving me this opportunity to host you all. Then Bandarji, one of the most beloved PADs for lines in our district, for varied of opportunities he has given us. I was about a month ago, I heard through my friend Nagaraju that you are going to meet here in Hyderabad. The first thought that occurred to me was to meet you here, to greet you all and to host you all this celebration dinner. Like Nagaraju has been my very dear friend for a long time and he has graduated my many respecters. Once I got Narendraji permission to host his evening dinner, I constantly plans to give me a taste of our hospitality because of weather conditions and because of your very tight schedule. We are not able to give you our best, but I am sure you will enjoy your company and release the food and drink. It may not be out of place to tell you that our district 320D created several records in membership growth, in leadership and in service activities. Ours is one of the most vibrant district in India. I wish hand something to join some of our service activities and visit our permanent projects. Our MD 320 is along. Our MD 320 is also among the most active and most successful in India and the world. The MD has been constantly supported, guided and driven by our PID Sanil Kumar. His vision, leadership and guidelines have ensured the growth and achievements of our multiple districts. I thank PID Sanil Kumar, our council chairman, Srinivas Reddy, our district governor, Dr. Ramakrishna Reddy, and our entire team of their support. I am grateful to PID Vijay Kumar Raju, my contemporary governor, and PID Krishna Reddy for that excellent guidance they have offered me in all my line effectives. There are two other lines here who have impacted my career as a line. I have been a great admirer of PID Sangeeta Jatia since of the first time I heard her speech more than 10 years ago. What can be greater pleasure today that having with us our PID and International Vice President Official NRC AP Singh. He is one of my mentors, my well-wishers and my ideas. His speeches inspire me every time I hear him. His long-term vision, his creative approach, his inspiring presence to remember. Everyone here is proud of his work and his commitment. Let us all work together for unanimous election at Monterey Convention. I assure him physical and emotional, moral and also finance support to ensure that he is our international president. Please enjoy the evening, enjoy your food, enjoy the music, make lots of new friends. Remember our district, our multiple district. I am your humble friend, Line Babu Rao. Please visit whenever you are in Hyderabad again. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Name is the synonym for the hospitality. That is Dr. Lion J. Babu Rao garu. Let's give a big round of applause to Babu Rao garu for organizing this massive celebration dinner. To all of us, this is a great evening. Now I invite a lot of pains to arrange the celebration dinner. Lot of pains are taken by the council chairperson Srinivas Reddy garu to give a brief felicitations. As that it is the time for the celebrations, I request to come on to a brief felicitation. Srinivas Reddy garu, council.
अभी कर्म
निकलने में उनका वो चल रहा है ना
शाम को बड़ा होच-पोच हो गई.
Namaste, all of you. Today's FDI graduates celebration dinner.
इसलिए वो भागे वहाँ से फोटोग्राफ रात में 10 बजे उनको वापस जाना है.
Our LCF area leader Babu Rao garu and Narendra Bhandari garu and our AP Singh garu or PID Sunil Kumar garu, Vijay Kumar Raj garu, PID and Sangeeta Jatia garu and all the district governors, vice governors, past district governors, my dear stalwarts of this global organization. Namaste, welcome to Hyderabad. Namaste.
Namaste.
I feel MD 320 is fortunate to have you all here and sure your presence here will create positive vibrations. Let me share a few happenings of our multiple. We are blessed with a creative leader in our multiple, our PID Sunil Kumar Rumala, with whose intellectual faculties, we have started many initiatives such as LRPC, certification of RCZC, Lions-based implementation virtually, and this year started star performance of the district governors monthly and virtually quest implementation programs. At the same time, we have another generous leader in our area leader, Bhimai Jagni Garu, and another LCF leader, Babu Rao Garu, LCF, who magnanimously contributes almost 65 lakhs contribute for LCF subsidy. Almost 65 lakhs already is donated to support activities, projects, service projects, and LCF. Thanks to him for hosting today's celebration dinner, Lion Ghatamaneni Baburao Garu. Thanks to another people, our district 320D, Nagaraj Garu and Mari Praveen Garu, Amarnath Garu, and Dichpalli Narsimharaj Garu, Sridhar Garu. They are excellently, they are working here last few days there. And once again, we are AP for VP. AP for VP. This is our multiple 320. We are AP Singh. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Council Chairperson Srinivas Reddy garu, thank you very much. This is now I invite our proud of Hyderabad and proud of multiple 320 representing the international, a great tenor, and we are proud to be with us. I invite Sunil Kumar Garu, past international director to government, give his brief felicitations. Sir, please.
What a wonderful evening. Welcome to Hyderabad. Welcome to Multiple District 320. Our most distinguished leaders of Lionism, our endorsee and incoming Vice President AP Singh ji, Narendra Bhandari ji, the Chairman, the GAT area leader, a GAT constitutional area leader, and the man who's made this event possible. Thank you very much, Bhandari ji. My dear friends, the past director, colleague director Sangeeta Jatia, another past director, someone who was very actively connected with MD 320 and continues to be, Vijay Raju, and district governors, past governors, and our very dear friends from all over the country who've come for this most outstanding event. Welcome to Hyderabad. Welcome to MD 320. I stand before you as a representative, as a brother, as someone who's very emotionally connected with this multiple. Though we are 7 districts, though we are 7 sub-districts, the manner in which we do our events, be it leadership, be it service, be it planning for the future of the multiple, for all practical purposes, we are only 1 district. And that's the way our past governors keep interacting. I don't think in any multiple of India, you would have all the past governors and the DG teams of the entire multiple meeting at least 6 to 8 times in a year, and then every time we meet it's festivity. And I'm so delighted that all of you from different parts of the country are present here. From Nepal, you're also present here. Welcome to Hyderabad. This is a feeling of happiness for us. We are so thrilled, so excited that you are amidst us. Hyderabad is known for its hospitality. We'll continue to be one. And our host for this evening, Dr. G. Babu Rao, who's not just an LCIF area leader, but you know, we have a team that works to keep this multiple very, very active. And we have 2 area leaders, Babu Rao and Bhimai Jagni, and supported by the Council of Governors and all the past governors. We try to keep our heads very high because of the quality of events we undertake and the quality of deliberations we do at every given point of time. All I could say is, fantastic evening. We've got dances for you, singing for you. You can come up and even sing a song here. We've got provision for that. It's a night that doesn't have to be young. You can keep it as long as you want it to be active. We are here to serve you and take care of you. Welcome to Hyderabad. Thank you very much.
he supported a lot in conducting this FTI LCF area meet, and also he supported and taken a lot of pain to organizing this celebration dinner. Thank you, sir. Past international director and the proud of Andhra Pradesh, Vijay Kumar Raju, to come onto the dais and give a brief felicitations. And when Babu Rao was the council chairperson, is the council secretary. Both together work and have given a lot of achievements to the great multiple. Welcome, Vijay Kumar Raju garu.
Honored to be with you all this evening. This was made possible for two reasons. One is our constitutional area leader, past Director Narendra Bhandari ji. Another one is my dearest friend, Lion Babu Rao. It's truly a momentous occasion to get all of you connected back, and especially the leadership of MD 320. It's been quite a while that we all have met in person. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. Friends, you would hear from the constitutional area leader how wonderful this multiple. But let me tell you, on the front of the Lions Clubs International Foundation, especially for the Campaign 100, Lion Babu Rao is our area leader. He leads from the front. He does make a huge contribution in terms of subsidizing both the multiples of 316 and 320. And today, you made it really all of us proud by contributing. Two governors have already crossed 100,000 each, MJFs each, and I'm so very confident the rest of the four will also be, or five will also be crossing that 100 levels. Congratulations and thank you for all that you do for the foundation. Good luck to every one of you. Thank you. And your very signature project for the hunger relieving, we are all there to support and extend whatever is possible from the foundation. Good luck to you. Thank you once again.
Affection and a motivational personality and a great leader, Isame area leader, GAT area leader, past international director Narendra Bhandari garu, to come onto the dais and felicitate.
Amen. It's really an honor to be on this dais this evening, the meet that we have organized. But let me tell you, I am at a place of multiple district 320 and especially 320D. I would say today, I have no hesitation in saying that this is a destination place. Any Lanistic event, if you want to organize, just look forward to 320D and multiple district 320 and your event will be successful and only successful. And it's not only the event being successful, but the hospitality, the love, the affection, the receptivity that they offer willingly. See, what is more important? If you get something when you ask, it is different. But without asking, so much of generosity and so much of love and so much of minutest details have been worked out in this event. I can really promise you and I can really tell you, you conceive any program in your mind, and if you look for a destination, I think this is a destination which is really, really appreciable. My compliments goes to our host today evening, Lion Babu Rao. A man of very few words, but at the same time, a man who can make anything happen. Not only happen, but with the love and with the smile that he offers his hospitality is really commendable. Babu Rao, I'm really honored of our friendship and your willingness to support any Lionistic event. This is not the only event. I've been hearing about Babu Rao for a very, very long time. Anything in Lionism you want, he gives you in multiplication. Anything. And not only in Lionism, in community also I've heard. We are proud of you, Babu Rao, and we are all really very honored to be your guest today. Thank you very much. Similarly, our district governor, Lion Srinivas, our council chairperson, Lion Srinivas Reddy, another person with few words, but thank you, Srinivas, for all the care that you have taken. Our district governor, Ramakrishna Reddy, I don't see him here, but his entire team of 320 have been really wonderful and assisting me in organizing this event. They have taken the minutest detail of the arrangement for the program and all the things that they made possible. Of course, the leadership of Lion Sunil Kumar cannot be forgotten. Lion Sunil, thank you very much for all that you have contributed to make this program a really grand success. And let me tell you, the three pillars of this program, all of you are aware, all the FDI participants, Lion Nagaraju, where is he? Lion Nagaraju, please rise. Yeah, Lion Nagaraju, Lion Anand Mehta, and Lion Deepak Chaudhary. Let us clap once for these three gentlemen who really made this program very interesting, very, I would say, involving all the participants. Thank you, all three of you. This is not a Thanksgiving ceremony, I know, and we will have a concluding session tomorrow. So I may not go into all the details of the program, but all the participants, FDIs and LCIPs, let me express my gratitude to each and every one of you. Once we declared the program and you had a blind faith and you registered yourself, you did not know what the program is going to be, what are going to be the details, but you responded so spontaneously in so much large number, because I consider you are, I would say, the leaders who are going to shape future leaders. As an FDI and LCIP graduate, you are going to conduct various training programs in your districts, or for that matter, now the concept has changed in FDI and LCIP. The concept, each and every FDI and LCIP are now going to train at ISAME level. You have an opportunity and you are getting an opportunity to train the leaders of future. And I'm very, very confident the future of Lionism in ISAME is in very, very safe hands, because you are going to train them in years to come. My thanks and compliments and gratitude to all the FDI and LCIP graduates who are present for this meet. And of course, lovely past governors, lovely team of Multiple District 320. We have been enjoying your hospitality, your love, your care for us whenever we visited Hyderabad. And of course, the great projects that you create are really wonderful. You make Lionism proud, you make us proud. Keep rocking in the similar way. Babu Rao, thank you once again. MD 320, District Governor 320, District 320D, we love you. We would like to visit Hyderabad again and again, and I'm sure you would also love to host us. Thank you, all the participants and all the organizers. Thank you for this great opportunity. And if you permit me, I wanted to make a small presentation to the host of this evening, Lion Babu Rao. I would request of course, I'm sorry, my apologies. I would also like to express my gratitude and thanks to our third Vice President endorsee, past International Director, Lion AP Singh, for acceding to my request and being present for this event. Thank you, AP Singh. In spite of your so many commitments, you made it possible and you enthralled all the crowd in the program. Thank you, Sangeeta, for accepting my invitation and for being with us today. Of course, our area leader, Lion Vijay Kumar Reddy, Vijay Kumar Raju and Krishna Reddy, thank you for coming to this meeting. And of course, all the Global Action Team area leaders, you are wonderful. You are making things possible in ISAME. You are really making ISAME proud with the support of all the district governors and CAT team. Thank you once again. I would request third Vice President endorsee and PID Lion AP Singh to kindly join me in making a small presentation to Lion Babu Rao in felicitating our host today, Lion Babu Rao. Council Chairperson, both of them, if they are here, please join. Vijay, run fast. You want more funds for Campaign 100 and behind all the success. I'm sorry, I am so much excited with your response. I keep on forgetting. Sunil, you are wonderful. I know when we were designing the program, the deep interest. Let me just tell you one small secret. All the time Sunil has been after me. He has been, I know, I remember that 18-minute formula, but nonetheless, I do not forget Sunil Kumar, because he was reminding the people who are coming for this program are really wonderful people and we should give them the best. And that is how this program took shape from a small beginning to a really good happening. Thank you, Sunil Kumar, for your contribution in the program designing also. So 6 minutes are over, 12 minutes are left. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
A small token on behalf of all of you to our third vice president endorsee, Lion AP Singh, as a remembrance for this meet. Thank you very much, AP, for acceding to our request. And friends, let us felicitate the 3 architects of this program. Lion Deepak Chaudhary.
पूरा जंगल ढूंढ के आया कि मेरा शेर कहाँ है, देखा हूँ शेर तो आगे मैं देखा उधर से
Lion Nagaraju. Even if you call at midnight, he is always ready to support.
आप कुछ लेगा मैडम को? नो खाना नो पिया
And of course, Lion Anand Mehta. So friends, 11 minutes 59 seconds over. Let's move down to the 12th minute. Thank you very much for joining us this evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very much. Now I request Sangeeta Jatiya to felicitate on this occasion. Please.
After the wonderful day that you all had, I'm sure you're ready for another 55-minute speech. Yes? Yes or not? Yes? Have a wonderful evening and thank you, Babu Rao Sahab. We've really enjoyed it. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you. And have a great evening. Thank you.
Now it's the time to listen to our great leader and proud of India and our international third vice president endorsee, Lion VP Singh.
Thank you, my dear friends. Coming to Hyderabad is always a pleasure. Enjoying your hospitality has been my privilege. That's because the people, my friends, the Lions in Hyderabad have always come forward and extended such warm hospitality. And for the kind of support that you have been providing to me in the past few months and even before that, your friendship, your participation in the recent service program, I'm extremely grateful for it. Providing me an opportunity to be with you this day and this evening. Thank you, PID Narendra Bhandari, all the organizers, Babu Rao ji, thank you very much for setting up this wonderful evening. Have a great evening. Let's continue to work. Let's continue to serve and through service to provide leadership. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.
Thank you, Andarki Koda. Thank you very much, all of you.
Friends, it is time to celebrate. There is a lot of foods and live counters have been allotted. Rajasthani chaat is there and Telugu, our pride, some Hyderabadi biryani is there and some other dishes which we favorite from Hyderabad is there. And also from North India, South India, every dishes have been arranged. Please enjoy this evening, whatever you want. And please the servers, every table there is a waiter. You can ask him for the food, what you want. Enjoy the evening. Thank you one and all for joining this great celebration. Thanks a lot once again.
अब देखिए क़यामत हुस्न हमारी अदाओं में
Chalo
डाली तनिक हो जाए हमारी अटारिया पे आजाद समझना रखा दे कि तनिक हो जाए हमारी अटारिया पे किवड़िया से लगे पिया को झोंकता तू बहुत काली फेंके पिया भावे जहाँ तू कसम दे गिनारे खिला दो के मामी लाली लाली तनिक हो जाए आजा गिनारे खिला दो के मामी लाली लाली तनिक हो जाए हमारी अटारिया पे
बिल्कुल मत टूटने दो मैं तो ये
काटे ही कटे ये दुनिया
इसके बाद एक 90s की बहुत ही प्यारा गीत है बेटा।
सभी एक साथ अपनी भी जोरदार एक ताली हो जाए सब मिलके
Quickly, all the cat area leaders kindly come on the stage and Lions of District C20D. And let me recognize the contribution of Lion Ruchita Mehra for the program help in conceiving the program FDIR and then taking it forward. Himaya Jagini, who has been really a great member of our country.
Ready? One more ready? Right. Ready. Ready, sir. Ready. Sir, jaldi. Ready. Hello, sir.
These are the lovely lions who have really taken this program to a greater height. I would request PID Lion AP Singh and Lion Sangeeta Jatia to kindly join. These are the lions who have really
To host you all in Hyderabad, and I thank every member of my district who have readily come forward to support us and have taken up different tasks and have done wonderfully well, every one of them. I thank the entire leadership of Lions at various levels who have sponsored us, who have helped us, who have kindly blessed us, and who have come here and have participated in this wonderful program throughout these 3 days and also today.
ready. Wait, sir, wait. Wait. Ready?
Lion Babu Rao. So, I was telling you that this entire program this evening, this celebration dinner has been very graciously hosted by our LCIF area leader Lion Babu Rao. We thank him on behalf of the entire committee that has organized. Just a few yards away, and you can come on to the race, you can dance, you can see.
Wait. Ready. One more. Ready?
तुझे चाहा रब से भी ज्यादा, तुझे चाहा रब से भी ज्यादा, फिर भी ना तुझे पा सके, रहे तेरे दिल में मगर तेरी धड़कन तक ना जा सके, झुलके भी टूटी रही इश्क की डोर पे, इसको सुनाए जाके टूटे जगा शोर में, कुछ होए किस्मत दे मारे सिकी करे, किस्मत दे मारे सिकी करे, किस्मत दे के खुदा है, किसी को मेरा है निशा, जब